Prince William Home Improvement. From the start of our project to the end, they were with us the whole way, walking us through everything. Even when we ran into a couple of kinks, we were able to work them out quickly and to our satisfaction. We really are glad that there's a contractor out there that really cares about the customer experience and doing a great job. So thank you, Prince William Home Improvement, for making our patio a success.